What's up everybody, this is Joyce here, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how you can use Chatgpt to make money online in 2023 and even beyond without too much effort from your end. But firstly, what you will want to do is access the website called OpenAI, alright, and you scroll down, you click on Chatgpt, you shall be directed to this website because this is here that we will be able to access Chatgpt, which is an AI tool that people have gone crazy about. With just 5 days after its launch, it has obtained 1 million users, and that's not it. Because if we look at Google Trend, you will actually see people all around the world talking about it. However, I also know that Chatgpt may not yet be available in your country, but along this video, I will be revealing how you can make it available in your country and start using it to make money online. So watch this video till the end and pay close attention to everything I say so that you don't miss out on any crucial information. And I will also like if you could give this video a thumbs up, and if content about making money online or growing an online business interests you, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Now, what you should know is that Chatgpt is not the only AI tool out there, but from my research, it's one of the best when it comes to getting information over the internet. Chatgpt has been trained to optimize language model for dialogues, meaning it's as if you are having a conversation with a real person that has the answers to your questions. Now, let me show you how to get started. All right, you click on the Try GPT and create your account. And for people where Chatgpt is not available yet, tell me where you're from in the comments below because I'll be revealing to you how you can access it in a few minutes. So, assuming you already have your account ready, your account should actually look like this except for all the searches on the left. And the capabilities of Chatgpt are indeed amazing as it actually remembers what user said earlier in the conversation. It allows user to provide follow-up correction. It actually trained to decline even inappropriate requests, but it does have limitations such as may occasionally generate incorrect information, may occasionally produce harmful instructions, or has limited knowledge of the world and the events after 2021. But trust me, this is not going to be a problem for you to make money online because what Chatgpt is skillful at are text, and the jobs that involve text are content creation, copywriting, translation, and even question and answers like a virtual assistant. Now, we all know that the money lies in the niches of the niches. So let me actually give you the exact jobs that you could do with Chatgpt to make money online. So if we niche down content creation, we would get resumes, blogging, and that will include articles, product description, product reviews. And it really depends on the niche you would be working on. And for copywriting, we would get course writers, and they would actually involve blog posts, ebooks, blueprints, stories, etc. And next we will have fiction and non-fiction writing. This can be actually considered as ghostwriting too. And furthermore, you have email copywriting, sales page copywriting. And for translation, guys, it's every language, because if we actually go to Upwork, which is actually a website where people sell their services to other people or online entrepreneurs, you can actually see people giving their services, selling their services for $95 per hour, $75 per hour, $50 per hour, depending on the type of job they are doing. And they actually include blogging, article writing, ghostwriting, and all that. Now, let me show you how Chatgpt make your life easier, all right? So let's go into Chatgpt and let's actually give a specific task starting with resume writing. Wow, guys, this is actually so amazing because it saves you so much time. Now, remember, you will get the details of your clients and you gotta be specific with Chatgpt, and you can actually charge pretty much $95, but if you're starting, you can charge like $40 to $50 per hour. And if you do 5 resumes, this actually makes you an easy $200 to $250 per day. Let's do our next example, which is blog writing. Well, let's ask Chatgpt to write us a blog, and let's say on the top 10 best musical instruments to play as a beginner. And guys, the blog is being written. All right, if you actually turn this into a blog post, you can actually maximize revenue on this post. Because if you link affiliate links of these instruments that are being listed on your blog, you can actually make money. All right. The way to do this is to actually get approved by Amazon. All right. And if you go to Amazon Associates and become their affiliates, and if someone clicks on your link to make a purchase, you will get commissions based on their total cart value that they have for the next 24 hours. Furthermore, you can actually turn this blog post into a YouTube video and link your affiliate link in your description like this guy has done. All right. This will actually help you attract a different kind of audience to your valuable piece of content and make you more money online. Oh, and by the way, if you're interested in learning how to do affiliate marketing, do check the first link in the description below where it says my #1 recommendation to start an online business. Now, you can also sell blog writing as a service. So let's have a look. So we are on Upwork again, and people are actually charging $95 per hour, but you can actually start with $20 per hour. And as you saw, it actually took a couple of minutes to get you a fully automated blog post. Now, if you start charging $20 per hour, and let's say you actually get 10 blogs to write, this actually makes you an easy $200 per day. And guys, that's the minimum. But of course, you will need to check the blog post and review it. And if ever your client is not satisfied, you can actually regenerate a blog post on Chatgpt with while being more specific. Now, let's move on to copywriting. All right, copywriting work, and let's see if we can write a fiction story. So I actually wrote a little description of the story that I want for the non-fiction story, and let's have a look at how it does. So, it's us, okay. And guys, this is an example of what a story would look like from Chatgpt. And again, we have to be really specific on what we are looking for, like the genre, the number of characters, and all. And guys, ghostwriters can actually charge really good money, at least $50 per hour, and it depends on the volume, series, or chapters. And I would like to talk more about email writing now, but let's give you a quick demo, all right? So, take writing about how I can help you, I help my audience take care of the diet of their dogs, my hobbies, and at the end, promote my product. So, let's see what happens. All right, so subject, day 1, the importance of a balanced diet for your dog. And dear audience, blah blah blah, it writes this: in today's email I want to share with you some basic tips, and gives value. It gives so much value, like how to have the importance of a balanced diet for your dog. You see, copywriters that write emails are handsomely paid because most of the online entrepreneurs leverage their time by outsourcing email writing to copywriters to write converting emails for them, because they actually need to make money. And guys, if you actually check on Fiverr, you will see copywriters making more than $200 for selling their services in email campaigns. And copywriting is a long-term skill, guys. True, with Chatgpt you can actually do the basics, but an experienced copywriter will always have the ability to come up with better persuasive words than the AI for now. And if ever copywriting is a job that you want to pursue, then this free book right here will help you skip months or even years of hard work and learning. I will actually leave this link down below the description of this video, and you can actually grab it. It's actually a free book. All you have to do is pay for shipping. But guys, what I wanted to show you is the power of Chatgpt and how powerful it is for it to write everything you need in a few minutes. By leveraging Chatgpt, you can easily make money online. And like I promised at the beginning of this video, I will tell you about how Chatgpt, even if it's not available in your country, how you can actually get access to it. So a marketer friend of mine, we're chatting together, and she too actually lives in a tier 3 country like me, and she actually was able to get access to a video that taught her how to make ChatGPT available in for her. So what I'll be doing is I will actually share in the description box below the link for you to get access, the link for the video for you to get access, and go ahead and create your ChatGPT account and tell me if it actually works for you. And again, guys, if you found value in this video and loved what I shared, do smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more make money online tips and tricks, as well as videos on how to start, grow, and scale an online business. This is Joyce Meettoo signing out. See you on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.